L&T Golf Studio here in Jakarta, Indonesia. Today we're going to talk about one of our popular training aids called Swing Guide. Let's show you how it works. It comes in this package over here and attaches to your golf club like so. Now, what it does is, when you swing the club back, Swing Guide should sit and come into contact with your forearm exactly like this. If you are overly laid off at the top, then you will miss your forearm and Swing Guide would be at the top. And if you are across the line with your swing plane, then Swing Guide would be pretty much at the bottom of your forearm. Both are false. You need to have Swing Guide coming into contact exactly with your forearm. You do that every single time while working with Swing Guide, whether at home or the driving range. It's going to make you a better golfer.